Good morning to all. Myself, Dr. K. Radhika, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Agriculture Engineering, SNSCT, Coimbatore. Today, we are going to discuss about the characteristics of living things. Let's see one by one. Characteristics of living alive or not alive. All living things exhibit several characteristics in combinations. Then the building block of life is, let's see, all living things are made up of the same elements. First one is carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. The four elements are made up of the all living things. What are the elements? Carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Carbon, the symbol is C. Hydrogen, the symbol is H. Nitrogen, the symbol is N. Oxygen, the symbol is O. These are the elements or building blocks of all living things. Then organization. All life is organized the same way. Then how it's organization? The organization is, these are the organization. First one is multicellular organisms, then organ system, then organ, then tissue, then cell, then organelle and molecule, finally atom. The smallest part is atom, the developed is molecule, then organelle is developed, followed by tissue is developed, cell is developed, then tissue is developed, then form the organ, then form the organelle system, then multicellular organisms are developed. Then these are the biome. Then first one is this. These are the component of biome: biosphere, ecosystem, community, population, then organ systems. What do you mean by biosphere? Biosphere is nothing but parts of the planet and its atmosphere where the life is possible. When life is possible, the one part of the planet and its atmosphere is where life is possible. Then ecosystems, the living and non-living environment. The living and non-living environment are included the ecosystem, the community's life plus soil, community of life including soil, rocks, water, air, etc. These are combined group of the group is called as ecosystem. Then community. What is community? Organize a given place and time. The community is in a or given time and given place. Then population. The group population means a group of same type of organism in the same type of place and same type of time. It's called as population. Then multicellular organism a living individuals. Then organ system, organs connected physically or chemically that function together. This is called as organ systems. First one is biosphere, then one is ecosystem, then community, then one is population, the multicellular organism, then organ system. These are the things of biome. The biome is called as the world major communities classified according to the predominant vegetation and characteristics by adaptation organ to the particular element, that is called as biome. Then characteristics of living things. First one is characteristics of living things. There are two types are made up of cells. First one is are made up of cells. First is unicellular, then multicellular. Unicellular character first one is unicellular. Organ that are made up of only one cell is called as unicellular. Organism that are made up of more than one cell is called as multicellular. There are two types are made up of cell. One is unicellular, second is multicellular. Unicellular means organism that are made up of only one cells. Multicellular organism that are made up of more than one cell. These are the organisms shows these pictures. Then Second point is reproduction to produce new organism. There are two type of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction, second is sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction involve single parent progeny are genetically identical to the parent is a asexual production. Sexual production involve two parents progeny are genetically diversified. Different type of parents are involved in the sexual reproductions. Asexual reproduction is genetically identical to the parent. It is called as asexual reproductions. Then third one is common genetic code. All the living organisms use the same language to the pass genetic information on to the offspring. Then DNA, RNA contain the coding system. You are know about it, the DNA, RNA containing the coding system. Thank you all. Let's see the next characteristics of living things.